In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Powered by Godaddy from your website in a few simple steps, perfect for 2025. Whether you're looking to streamline your site or just personalize the space a bit more, this guide will help you every step of the way. First off, you'll want to head over to the Godaddy website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign-in button. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not yet logged into your account, make sure you have your credentials ready, enter your username and password, and you'll be swiftly navigated to your account dashboard. After you've signed into GoDaddy, the next thing you'll do is choose the specific site you want to edit. This is a great chance to double check that you're working on the right one. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see a list of your products and services. Just find your website and give it a click. Once you've selected your site, you're going to find yourself in the website editor. This is where you can make all sorts of changes to the look and functionality of your page. Look for the option that says Edit Website and click on that. It's your gateway to tweaking the finer details of your web design. As you scroll through the website editor, make your way to the footer section. Most often, this is where you'll see the Powered by GoDaddy text nestled comfortably at the bottom. A quick click on the footer section will highlight it, bringing it into focus. Now here's the crucial part. Look for a checkbox that says something like Powered by GoDaddy. Once you find it, simply untick this box. By doing so, you're removing the default branding GoDaddy includes when you use their website builder. At this point, you have a fantastic opportunity to personalize the footer further. If you want to add a unique touch or simply remove any other notes, now's your chance. You can edit the existing footer note or choose to delete it altogether if it doesn't serve your website's vision. Finally, after you've made all these changes, it's time to see them in action. Use the preview option in the editor to ensure everything looks just as you want it. If all is good, hit that publish button. This will make your changes live for the world to see, giving your website a professional and clean appearance, free of unwanted footnotes. And there you have it. Your website is now free from the Powered by GoDaddy marker, giving it a more polished and personal feel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.